Genome Decoders is a collaborative project with the Institute for Research in Schools to engage with a large cohort of A-level students and get them to annotate the genome of the human whipworm.
So it launched last September, so it's been running since then. We've got over 50 schools involved now, which accounts to over 1,000 students.
It's still the case that the best way to annotate a genome is by manual curation. We don't currently have enough resources to do that for the number of genomes that we'd like to do, so engaging with A-level students and getting them to help out with that problem is a really interesting approach.
From my interaction with the students, the impression that I get is that it's quite inspiring for them to be able to get their hands on some data and sort of play with data and understand the kind of messy nature of it. It's amazing how they've really stood up to the challenge, not been intimidated, asked some incredibly insightful questions, and really sort of got their hands dirty and got involved.
This project has actually had a really positive impact on the way we work. It's allowed us to think about how we annotate genomes, both on a large scale internationally, but also within my team, in looking at complex examples on the genome and getting feedback from the students on these complex examples and how they're making sense of the data. It's been a really eye-opening experience.
In the immediate future, we're going to roll the project on for another school year, hopefully try and get through as much of the genome as we can. I think from our perspective it's been quite successful, so we might look at even doing another genome in the future.
What we see as one of the benefits of Genome Decoders is that we are training the next generation of scientists in the skills of genomics. And as more and more biomedicine begins to be oriented towards genome sequencing and genomics, these are going to be crucial skills in science in the next 10 to 20 years. So Genome Decoders is doing our small bit to train the next generation of scientists.